time to go pick up a new vehicle. Just got out of school. It's Wednesday, so it's my free day. And right now I'm going to the bank to cash the check. And yeah, we'll pick up after I purchase the vehicle and do all the boring stuff. And then I'll show it off. It is a lot chillier than the last time you've seen me on YouTube. But there is a new vehicle about to be purchased. Got my keys. Already had the key. I went ahead and put it on the lanyard. But yeah, we're about to go pick up the replacement for the Jeep. As you know, literally, I'm at my house now, right down the road, literally on the highway, pulling into the driveway. I got hit. Some woman was on her phone and hit me going 70 plus miles an hour. Thank God I'm still alive. Oh, by the way, don't worry. We are going to be doing at least a couple mods in this video to the new vehicle. So, yeah, let's go pick it up. All right, day 3 of this video. It is like 7:35 Friday morning, and I'm about to reveal the new vehicle. That is right. I got me a new truck. It's gonna be the rig to tow that to shows. It's really cold, so I'm about to get inside. It's gonna be the daily, so I don't spend my life savings on gas. Gotta love Mustang problems. These are some pictures I found that have helped me with inspiration. And then also, I got tires in the back. We're already doing our first mod, like I said, which is tires. I also have everything from the Jeep, like interior wise, and we're about to put it in here. Add some more black, because right now there's a lot of tan and not enough black. I love tan and I like this color, but I feel like this truck needs more black, so that's what we're gonna do. All right, so we're at school now with Adam, and we went ahead and put this on and these. I ain't done the back, we just literally threw them in the back. I gotta detail it anyway, so it's fine. But we're just waiting on everybody to get to school so I can pull it in the shop. So, yeah. All right, so I'm in the shop on the lift. We got like some of the tires balanced. I already switched the tires over with the rims. But now we are going to put the tires and rims, the whole package, the wheels, on the actual truck. So yeah, I'm not going to show it because the person helping me doesn't want to be seen, which is understandable, but I'm going to show you afterwards. So yeah. gonna go finish school, and then after school I'm gonna show it off. All right, I just got done with work. It is absolutely freezing. My hands are red. I know I said that at the beginning of the video, but I'm saying it now because it's still cold. North Carolina needs to warm back up. Okay, that's just plain and simple. I love the cold, but at the same time I hate it, you know. But here's the actual truck. This is after the work I did in the shop. Yeah, it's pretty good looking. Gotta get that shot in. I really like how I put these wheels on, and they look way better than what was on it before. Not gonna lie, they should have kept these in production because they are really good looking wheels in my opinion. Just got done detailing it. I still gotta do the window, all the windows. I just spend a little bit of time. I'm gonna vacuum the inside because it's a little dirty with the diamond stitch. Really, the main thing I gotta vacuum is the seat from those other floor mats that were in there. Funny story, when I grabbed everything, I didn't know I grabbed my clutch from my car. I thought I grabbed my wheel lights because it's in a similar box, but no, I grabbed my clutch. Honestly, it's a really clean truck, and I'm really happy with it. I'm glad I spent the money I did on it, and I can go over financial cost and all that in another video if y'all want that. If you want it to be more relatable. I don't know how relatable this is to you. It might be to some because it's just a pickup truck at the end of the day. But by the end of it, this won't be just a normal pickup truck. It's going to be the best of the best. May do an engine swap. Maybe. You never know. It's always on the table. I mean, I've already put one engine in a vehicle, the Mustang. But yeah, it's a really good looking truck. I'm happy with it. So, yeah. I think I'm gonna end this video here. I'm gonna do another video. I already got the idea for it. And I'm gonna have a cameraman or woman, whoever wants to help me film. But they're gonna help me with it. And yeah, this is gonna be it for this video. See you soon, I guess. Peace out.